not that you charge for the course, but that your overall budget would be impacted by it. But it sounds like the county executive has put money in to cover those.
We have very
Should be
strong
okay.
support on the council, and I would just add this perhaps to your equation as you think about costs. We have 15 commissioners who are all volunteers, and we have 15 attorneys, some of the sharpest common ownership community minds in the county, who serve as volunteers. And if you add up what the billable hours of all these people would be, it's probably just shy of $1 million. So for $3, you're essentially buying the potential for access to an emergency room if you need it. You've got all the doctors, you've got all the facilities. God forbid you should ever need it, but if you do, as Ms. Kimball said, it is really, it's insurance. And we're very proud of the work we do. We've been around for 25 years, and many of you may not know, but we are the only CCOC in the United States. We are the only operation that has a full body of case law that operates the way we do. We've won a number of awards from NACO, and we're very proud of the fact that we are really the pace setter for the nation. When people want to know about alternative dispute resolution, frequently it's Peter Jamalski who gets the phone call, tell us how to do this from any place in the country. So we're very fortunate that we have this, and we try and fill that niche between the low end of dispute resolution, everything from just discussions to mediation to the court system. We're not a court, we're a quasi-judicial body. So for that gap, just shy of the court system, we enable people who don't have the resources to resolve their disputes.
Appreciate that.
So,
Councilmember Moore.
Thank you for that. And speaking as an attorney, I want to thank you for the analogy, because I don't think the room full of attorneys has ever been referred to as a life-saving emergency room before. That's very
that's how
kind.
we view them. They're
So,
very,
thank
very
you.
good bunch. I just if I could make one last comment, which is that we view our job as to bring good governance to communities. And good governance really has a direct impact on property values. Communities that are poorly governed, the property values go down. And as I've told the county council on a number of occasions, what you do, your ability to fund other programs is due to a large degree by your ability to tax property. So there's a direct relationship. Our ability for a few dollars to bring about better governance in a community then allows the county to do more because the property values go up and the revenue to the county goes up. So the economic impact is very significant. This isn't just something we do because it's good to do, but there's a direct economic impact.
That's a great point. Thank you. Councilmember Feinberg.
Thank you for highlighting how highly leveraged this is. And I'm assuming